Hi. Careful. Oh, are you saying cheese? Cheese. You look so pretty. Are you putting your hoodie on because you're cold? Oh, there we go. There, you're all set. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you need that sweater while you read your book. You are so studious. Yeah, you are. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Who's that? What's that book about? Hmm? You tell me about that book? Oh, it's about little Looney Tunes, huh? Can you read it to me? Huh? Will you read it to me, Penelope? Oh. You're silly. There we go. Go ahead and read it to me. I want to hear it. Oh. That's funny. That's silly, Daffy Duck. Oh. Oh. I see. Oh. Oh, aren't you cold? Oh no, is your hair all staticky now? Let's see. How's your hair look?